Pipeline admins. Thanks for joining me in the account settings. Today we're going to check out users. We'll start here in the org chart. The org chart is going to show the hierarchy of all users. We've got our executives here. They can see all records. Executives cannot be part of a team. We'll pop down here to teams. Let's look at the delivery team. Teams are made up of team leaders, team members, and read-only members. Team leaders, down here you can see their visibility. They can see all records around deals, all company records, and all people records. Team members, you can give them specific permissions. Here they can only see their own deals, companies, and people. This is where they can see their teams, deals, companies, and people, their team and their leaders, and their own deals, companies, and people. Or you can have it set to global. I prefer global. This lets your team really communicate with each other around different deals, companies, and people. Super easy to add users. Click Add User, fill out first name, last name, their email, give them a role, team member, team leader, or executive. Super Share users are reserved for users outside of your company who don't have a license. These Super Share users are very limited in what they can see in terms of deals, lists of deals that you share with them. You'll see here that you can give each user specific access. Can merge records, can't merge records. You can make them an account admin. Any user role besides the Super Share can be an account admin. For more detailed permission descriptions, click here. Also, creating a new team is very easy. There's a lot of teams here, so let's just hop into the Acme team for an example. You're going to give your team a name. If they report to another team, you can add that here. Add the members to that team. Give them different visibility and hit Save Changes. Moving on to active users. This will let you see, if we scroll down here, the last login. Are they a read-only? Are they an admin? And their roles. User security. You can see who is a back-end admin, if there's been any sort of authentication requested or filled out. And then it lets you track also your inactive users. When you make a user inactive, if I go over here to active users, I scroll over here, I can make that user inactive. When you mark a user inactive, it does not delete any data that they've added. It leaves that open and it allows you to reassign now or reassign that data later. But again, you don't lose any of the data by marking a user as inactive. Quick add for those admins. If you want to add a user, if you go up here to the upper right corner, click this quick add, come down here, add user. It'll bring you right over here. Super quick, super easy. Thanks.